curious you, if you're new to this channel, my name is Christy, and okay gang squad family. That's what I call my people. How you doing? I'm fine. Welcome to the channel, Ron. Anyway, guys, I'm so excited. I'm about to make a glitter slime. Anyway, this could be me open it. Anyway, so the ingredients you need is a bowl. Something to make. A glitter glue. I got a green. And some borax. So I got some borax in this little teacup. So okay. So just fine on me while I'm doing my video. Anyway, so let's just pour the glue because I don't want my camera to die while I'm pouring the glue, okay? It's why is glitter glue so hard to come out? That's my mom. But why is glitter glue so hard to come out? Like, so it's almost done. Well, I think it's finished. So the glue is finished. Pour that all. Oh, it's nice. I love the color though. Like, it wasn't looking. Oh, on the camera it's looking ugly. So I just give glue a mix. I don't know why, but glitter glue is like slime already. So let's add activator. Like, don't add a lot, guys. I don't know if you guys saw how much I add, but oh, it comes together already, guys. I'll cry if this don't come together because I literally begged my mom and dad to buy glue for me, so they know I'm into slime. Like, I love slime. So yeah. I'm gonna see y'all when it comes together. Guys, I don't know if this was the correct time to go in with my hand, but yo, oh, it's pretty. Guys, if your slime gets stiff, y'all know what to do. Just add lotion. If you're like a person who loves to make slime and always make it, y'all know what to do. If I find it hard, just add lotion. So I'm gonna have to put some, like, all of this in here because it's not coming together, guys. Oh, now it's starting to like dip off. I'm afraid to put my other hand, so I'm gonna just add it. That's fine because I have like a whole bottle of lotion. So I'm gonna see y'all when everything comes together. When everything comes together. Okay, everyone. So this is how the slime turned out. It's a really pretty color, but there it looks really like ugly. But guys, I love it. Every time I make like a clear glue kind of slime, it always ends up sick. But all I do is add lotion and it ends up beautiful. So I'm gonna see y'all when I finish add my lotion. Alright everyone, so I'm so excited because it worked, but you have to leave your slime for 2 days. So you have to leave your slime for 2 days and then your slime will sit really nice and it looks so beautiful. Okay guys, if you like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up, subscribe, turn on notification, comment on more personal chat and stuff for me to do. Bye guys, see you in the next video.